Imagine you have a chance to do something wrong and nobody is watching. No cameras, no boss, no parents, just you. Would you do it? Today, we are diving into a powerful story about honesty, integrity, and a famous leader from history, Caliph Umar ibn al-Khattab. First, a quick background. Caliph Umar wasn't just any ruler. He was the second Caliph leading the Muslim world in the 7th century. He was famous for his incredible justice and his humble way of life. Even though he ruled a vast empire, he often walked the streets alone, checking on his people. He believed his most important job to make sure every single person was safe and well fed. This is why he was known as a leader who truly cared. Now, let's get to our story. It actually involves Umar's son, Abdullah ibn Umar, who was also a very pious man. One hot, dusty day, Abdullah was traveling in the mountainous desert areas near Medina with a friend. They were tired and the sun was high. They decided to rest. As they sat, they saw a young shepherd boy tending his flock of sheep nearby. This boy wasn't the owner. He was a hired hand, a servant, or perhaps even a slave whose job was simply to look after the sheep for his master. Abdullah, wanting to test the boy's character, or maybe just for some fresh meat, so he called out to him. Abdullah walked up to the shepherd boy and said, "Peace be upon you, young man. I see you have a fine flock here. Would you sell us one of your sheep? We would like to cook it for our meal." The shepherd boy looked at Abdullah, then back at his sheep, and firmly replied, "I cannot sell any of these sheep. They are not mine. I am only the hired caretaker." Abdullah decided to push him a little further. He smiled and said, "Come on, no one is around. Your master is far away and cannot see you. Just sell me one sheep. You can tell your master that a wolf attacked the flock and ate it. He will never know the difference." This is where the story becomes legendary. The young shepherd boy looked straight into the eyes of Abdullah, and with a beautiful innocence, he asked one simple, profound question that has echoed through history. "If I tell my master the fox ate it and he doesn't see me, then where is Allah?" Wow, think about that for a second. Where is Allah? This young humble boy didn't fear his human master. He feared the creator of the universe, the one who sees everything, hears everything, and knows every secret. Abdullah ibn Umar was deeply moved by the boy's sincerity and fear of God. He actually began to cry. The boy's simple words were the most powerful sermon he had ever heard. The boy had passed the ultimate test of honesty with flying colors. Abdullah didn't just walk away. He went and found the shepherd master. He paid the master a large sum of money and brought two things: the entire flock of sheep and the shepherd boy. Then Abdullah did something truly remarkable. He freed the shepherd boy, saying, "Your honesty has freed you in this world, and I pray that it frees you in the hereafter too." and he gifted the entire flock of the sheep to the newly freed man. The story of the honest shepherd reminds us of the true meaning of integrity. Honesty isn't about what we do when people are watching. It's about what we do when we are completely alone. It's about remembering that even when our boss, our friends, or our parents can see us, there is always one who can. The simple act of the shepherd boy reflects the kind of honest, good conscious spirit that Caliph Umar and his family always championed. It's a lesson for all of us, no matter our faith, age, or job. What is the most honest thing you ever done when nobody was looking? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing stories like Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. May Allah bless us all. Thank you so much.